I am now on Highway 50 west. Sorry about that. This is traveling west. I passed I-25 going towards Pueblo West. As you can see, the snow is coming down sideways. There is not much traffic out tonight. I thought I'd just do a quick little video showing this part of the road. Keep it on for a little bit longer. The roads are really icy. The wet roads have turned to ice and then the snow is going over them. So this is all for this video from Highway 50 on the north side of Pueblo. Goodbye for now.